Good morning. My name is Dr. Gabo, and I'm here today on behalf of our community to thank you for the outpouring of support that you have shown to us during the past few days. As you can imagine, it's been a very challenging time for us as a community as we wrestle with what type of response to give to those evil attacks on our community. From conversation with different members, we can see the many feelings that are going on through our mind in terms of anger to forgiveness, fear to hope, darkness to joy, sorrow to healing, and from chains to freedom. So often, they all come at the same time. But one thing that moves us so deeply, it's your love. It's the amount of support that you have shown us. You, our friends, our allies, our supporters, our advocate. Your show of solidarity during this time is a powerful reminder that we will not tolerate nor bring valuable attention to hate and division. We are deeply grateful to each and every one of you for calling this deliberate act for what it is, a pure act of racism against a nation that has done so much for this country. The question is, why? Why us? Why Haiti? Whatever the reason, we know these words have devastating consequences on our children, on our youth, in our community in general. We thank you, friends and allies, for your continued support and advocacy. And we are asking you to continue to stand with us, asking for justice, asking for accountability. So today, we want to publicly say that we stand against hatred. We stand against division. We stand against discrimination. We stand against injustice. And we want to say yes to love and compassion. Yes to solidarity. Yes to justice. Yes to unity. If you look in the middle of our Haitian flag, you will see this powerful motto in French that says, "L'union fait la force," which translated into English, "In unity we are strong," or "We are stronger together." So let's remain in unity. Let's remain in solidarity so we can fight against racism on all its forms. Thank you.